Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and today I'd like to introduce our seasonal bed maintenance programs. We have two of them that we are currently offering. One is our annual bed maintenance program where we come out once each year, and then we also offer another which is our quarterly bed maintenance program. What these are is that we will come out and do a light touch up on the shrubs. We'll do a light weed pulling in the beds. We'll be applying a macronutrient fertilizer, we'll be applying a micronutrient fertilizer, and then we also will be applying a weed preventative. And then if you'd like, we can also do a mulch installation as well. The reason we have started offering this program is that more often than not, when we do a landscape installation, that once we're done, the next question is, hey, can you maintain this for us? Because frequently the maintenance companies that the folks are using, they really don't quite know how to trim the shrubs and how to maintain the landscape well. They usually have gas hedge trimmers, and that's what everything gets, and pretty quickly everything gets turned into beach balls and cubes. And so frequently we've been asked, hey, can you do a light trimming on these? This is not meant to completely replace your maintenance company, because quarterly maintenance is not enough usually to keep all of the weeds out. But the main thing is for you to have expert staff that can come out and take care of your landscape and make sure that everything is healthy and doing well. If you like this program, please reach out to us. We will be glad to help you out. Ken with Village Green, local experience you can trust.